Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought for you very beautiful messy updo hair designs. If you are messy hair lover, then this video is only for you. These designs are mostly made by brides, but if you are bride or bridesmaid, you can download any one of these designs. You can show this design to your hairstylist. He or she will absolutely make this design for you. Last, I request you to subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video.